Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Excited to offer you guys an absolutely gorgeous and truly pristine 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is a one-owner, Carfax certified guaranteed vehicle with 27 service records on the Carfax report, clean and clear title, Carfax certified guaranteed buyback truck. Beautiful, beautiful truck inside and out. This is a fully loaded Trail Hawk edition. Rear backup camera, rear parking assist, factory tow hitch, leather and Alcantara seats with red color match stitching throughout, navigation, sunroof. We have both keys. Truck just recently, less than 2,000 miles ago, got brand new Michelin tires installed. The paint on this Cherokee is absolutely perfect. Previous owner took great condition or great care of it condition wise. We of course went through and did our full paint correction service on it. It's got a beautiful gloss, very smooth finish. This truck does have 178,000 miles. It truly looks and drives like it has 10,000 miles. For all of our followers, you guys know that we do not buy vehicles or sell vehicles with high mileage. But this truck is just so clean for someone that wants a newer body style loaded up Grand Cherokee. You don't want to spend 20 plus grand on it. This is a perfect one. Keep in mind, it's been fully serviced since day one of ownership at the dealership. We have all the records. We are shooting this in 4K, so if you have not been watching this in 4K, I highly recommend replaying it. If you have some loading issues, give it some time to load up so you can truly see how clean this truck is. The guy that owned it traveled for work, so the miles that are on here are all highway miles. And if you look at the Carfax report, you'll see regular services throughout its entire life. I mean, it truly is incredible that this truck has 178,000 miles. Like I said, like brand new Michelins. I've put about 300 miles on this truck since having it in inventory, and it drives absolutely perfect. Engine bay is extremely clean. So you see the exterior of this truck is damn near a 10 out of 10. And you'll see the same thing with the interior. It is just truly pristine. Non-smoker. Very, very sporty interior. You have your brushed aluminum trim throughout with your chrome bezeling, with your beautiful leather seats, with your Alcantara perf inserts, red stitching throughout. Navigation, backup camera, Bluetooth, heated seats, both keys, sunroof. Rear seats are adjustable. We have the 60 portion sitting back. Auto rear gate. Now the only thing that I can nitpick on this entire truck, exterior and interior, is going to be on this passenger seat. I mean, even the shift knob is perfect. Top of the steering wheel at 12 o'clock is perfect. I mean, this thing is just truly, truly pristine. The only thing on this entire truck, you have a stitching right there that we're going to leave it up to you guys. We can cut it. We also have an interior department where we can sew it, but we're gonna have to resew that whole panel right there. So that is literally the only blemish on this truck. Both keys, AC's ice cold. Back pockets are perfect. Rear cargo, extremely clean. Carpet's perfect, full-size spare inside. You got your 12-volt. Like I said, you guys will not find any 170,000 mile truck this clean. I mean, it is absolutely impeccable. The only other thing to nitpick, and this is just, I have to find something wrong with the vehicle to point out, and this is something that we will touch up. You have your factory charcoal graphite wheels. As you see, you got a chip right there. Literally besides that, you are looking at a near flawless truck. Push start as well. your backup camera. Also want to let you guys know all your adjustabilities right here work as they should, including the adjustable suspension. All the buttons on the wheels are absolutely perfect. You have your red stitching as well. If you guys are gonna hear any sort of shifting going on in the vehicle, we have some camera gear in the back. I have another set of keys in the cup holder. AC's blowing ice cold. Go ahead and put my seatbelt on real quick. Steering very tight as it should be. Brakes perfect. I mean, it's no different than driving a new truck. So there you guys go. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to contact us directly at 855-XJ Jeeps. That's 855-955-3377. Thank you.